Okay, so we're coming to you live from the Highlands Gathering, and I'm here with
MEC Mortimer, the MEC of Public Works Infrastructure for KwaZulu Natal.
Awesome, Mr. MEC. What is it that you love about the Highlands Gathering?
You know, I'm a Toti boy at heart, and this is when our town really comes to life. People coming from all over the country celebrating our cultural differences, which is so wonderful because it brings us together, our diversity. And here we can see the diversity in action. Toti is just the most amazing paradise to live in, and I'm glad we can showcase it to all the visitors and saying, come to Toti, it's the place to be.
I love to see the community getting together the way they do.
All the different people that come, like you get to see so many different styles and types of people. It's just so cool.
The vibe definitely. The food is amazing here.
Well, firstly, the culture. I mean, around you can see a whole bunch of people having fun, talking, you know, it really brings the community together.
The community, the vibes, everyone's friendly here, you're having a good time, spending time with family.
I get out, we've got beautiful weather today, absolutely stunning day, and it's just nice for people to see each other out and about in Amanzimtoti.
The amount of options here is phenomenal, mind-blowing actually. Rare things that you don't normally find, and food that comes out of your ears. Guys, you will never go hungry here. It's amazing.
I love the Sapphire Coast.
We love the Sapphire Coast! We love the Sapphire Coast!